Appliance service is this industry's single biggest problem. In this video, you'll learn the problems and how to best protect yourself when buying new appliances. You'll also learn how to find good service, and as an added bonus, you'll also discover the best brands to consider for service. Now, I want you to visualize your holiday dinner. You invited your whole family. You shop for the organic, free-range 30-pound turkey. You turn on your stove 1 week before to be safe, and it doesn't work. That's the wrong time to discover you won't get it fixed in time for your holiday. In certain areas, you'll need a month for your stove to be operating. And you won't be alone, by the way. Appliances require service 9.7% of the time just in the first year. Poor delivery and installations add 20% to that figure. The number escalates from there in year 2. We performed over 37,000 service calls last year through a pandemic in the Boston area alone. In our company blog articles, we talk about why retailers and brands don't offer service. Those who do often don't invest nearly the amount needed. The reason? Service is great for marketing, or the ability for us to say to you, we can fix it, can they? However, every appliance company servicing, especially in warranty, is losing money. The cost of fixing an appliance is way more than the compensation. That's why you don't see any of the major publicly traded box stores or large internet retailers providing service. For brands, it's almost political. Will a CEO allocate $30 million to start a national service company and more annually for a service department, which will take years to succeed? Not many people in the C-suite will invest so the next person will enjoy the success. Before you learn how to find great service, there are a number of brands at least trying, like Whirlpool, GE, Bosch, and even LG has made a recent significant investment. The best company with the most extensive service and parts is Sub-Zero and Wolf. These brands understand having a good reputation is about helping your customers when problems do arise. And for appliances, problems will always arise. Locally, a few of our competitors do a very good job in Massachusetts, like George Washington Toma, Belcher's Appliance Center, Hunter Appliance, Doyon's, Emporia. If you're watching this outside Massachusetts or even inside, understand this for best service. You have the most leverage before you buy versus after you pay. Remember that. Take that opportunity to find good service. Look at Yelp, Google, and call the manufacturers and local service agents for lead times to service products before you buy. If you're unsure of similarly priced brands like Bosch compared to KitchenAid for dishwashers or Wolf versus Thermador, service should be a deciding factor. You should shop for available services as you would for brands, features, and benefits. The time you spend finding service will pay you dividends when the product needs a repair, because appliances break, and now everyone, including you, knows. Focus on service is a key purchase component to enjoy that holiday without worrying about your stuff.